When discussing diet and hunger management, understanding the relationship between the types of foods we eat and how they affect our feeling of fullness can significantly impact our dietary habits and overall well being. One effective way to regulate appetite begins with choosing the right carbohydrates. Studies have shown that certain carbohydrates, like boiled potatoes, can affect hunger differently from other carbs like rice and pasta. For example, boiled potatoes contain an enzyme inhibitor that slows the breakdown of hormones in the gut that signal fullness to the brain, which can help one feel satiated for a longer period. Increasing protein intake, especially during breakfast, is another strategy that can help manage hunger throughout the day. Proteins like eggs and beef are highly satiating and can lead to higher levels of daily fullness and lower levels of evening snacking, even when overall calorie intake is unchanged. This is partly due to proteins causing an increase in certain hormones that signal satiety to the brain and a decrease in hunger hormones. Furthermore, the type of amino acids in proteins can influence the speed of digestion and absorption, adding to the feeling of fullness for extended periods. Adding fiber to diets consistently has been linked with significant reductions in hunger. Soluble fibers, particularly from sources like chia and flax seeds, not only aid in digestive health, but also have been shown to decrease appetite by interacting with gut hormones that communicate fullness to the brain. Even a modest increase in daily fiber intake can lead to noticeable reductions in how much one feels the need to eat. Incorporating certain types of fish, like smoked salmon, into meals can also help manage hunger due to their high levels of tryptophan. This amino acid increases serotonin levels, a neurotransmitter associated with mood and appetite suppression. This effect, coupled with the slower digestion of the proteins in fish, can extend feelings of fullness. Moreover, choosing snacks carefully, such as selecting nuts that are harder to chew, like walnuts, not only requires more effort to eat, but also may trigger brain centers related to impulse control and reward, aiding in better food decision-making. Finally, using MCT oil, a type of fat that absorbs quickly and raises levels of satiety hormones, can be particularly useful when consumed before meals. It may help decrease overall food intake by making the body feel fuller sooner. The rapid absorption of MCT oil leads to a quick increase in hormones that signal fullness and can also reduce the impulse to consume more calories from less healthy options. Overall, managing diet and reducing unnecessary snacking can benefit significantly from understanding how different foods and their components interact with our body's hunger mechanisms and how they communicate with our brain. Making informed choices about what to include in meals can lead to better control over appetite and a more balanced approach to eating.